This lecture focuses on performance management and appraisal in human resource management. We will explore how organizations evaluate and improve employee performance. This topic is essential because it is linked employee effort to organizational success. Understanding this will help you apply HR practices effectively. Force distribution is a method where employees are placed into performance category based on a fixed percentage. For example, only a certain percentage can be rated as high performance or low performance. This method helps prevent managers from rating everyone too highly. However, it may create competition and dissatisfaction among employees. Behavior Anchor Rating Scale or BARS combines rating scales and critical incidents. Instead of general rating, it uses specific behavior as reference points. This helps improve clarity and reduce bias in evaluation. It is considered more objective compared to traditional method. The first step in BARS is generating critical incidents from job experts. Then these incidents are grouped into performance dimensions. These dimensions represent key aspects of job performance. This process ensures the evaluation is job related. Next, another group review and relocate the incident to ensure consistency. Then each behavior is rated on a scale based on effectiveness. This helps standardize the evaluation process. It also improves reliability. Finally, selected behavior are used as anchor in the rating scale. These anchors clearly define each performance level. This makes evaluation more accurate and transparent. Employees also better understand the expectation. This slide shows an example of BARS scale for salesmanship. Each level is described using actual job behavior. This helps reduce misunderstanding during evaluation. It also improves communication between managers and employees. Result-based system focus on achieving agreed objective. Manager and employees set goals together at the beginning. Performance is evaluated based on how well these goals are achieved. This approach encourages accountability and clarity. Modern organizations use computerized systems for performance appraisal. This system allows managers to track and record employee performance easily. They can also generate reports automatically. This improves efficiency and accuracy. Electronic performance monitoring uses technology to track employee activity. Managers can monitor productivity, accuracy, and time spent working. This is common in remote or online work environment. However, it may raise privacy concerns. Online tools allow organizations to conduct performance appraisal digitally. The system often include rating scale and competency frameworks. They also support self-evaluation by employees. This makes the appraisal process more flexible and accessible. There are many challenges in performance appraisal system. This include bias, lack of objective, and employee anxiety. Poor implementation can reduce effectiveness. Therefore, proper training and system design are important. Managers may feel uncomfortable conducting appraisals. It can be time-consuming and emotionally challenging. This is especially true when giving negative feedback. Training can help reduce this discomfort. Some appraisal criteria are subjective, such as attitude or personality. These factors are difficult to measure accurately. They may not relate directly to job performance. This can lead to unfair evaluation. Halo error occurs when one positive traits influence the entire evaluation. Horn error is the opposite, where one negative trait lowers the overall rating. Boost error reduces accuracy. Manager must be aware of this bias. Leniency happens when managers give overly high ratings. Strictness occurs when managers are too critical. Both create unfair evaluation. Consistency across managers is important. Central tendency occurs when all employees are rate average. Manager may avoid giving her high or low rating. This reduces the usefulness of appraisal data. It can also demotivate high performers. Manager may focus only on recent performance. This ignores earlier contribution during appraisal period. Keeping records help avoid this issue. Evaluation could cover the entire period. Personal bias includes stereotyping based on gender, age, or race. This is unfair and can be illegal. It also affects employee morale. Manager must ensure objective evaluation. Manager may manipulate rating for personal reasons. For example, to justify pay rises and dismiss employees. This reduces fairness and credibility. It can also lead to legal issues. Employees often feel anxious about appraisals. Their career growth and salary may depend on results. This can affect performance and openness. Managers should handle appraisal carefully. An effective system improves individual and organizational performance. It must be fair, transparent, and job-related. It also supports HR decisions like promotion and compensation. Continuously improvement is necessary. Evaluation criteria must be related to the job. This ensures fairness and accuracy. Job analysis help determine appropriate criteria. Non-job related factors should be avoided. Employee must clearly understand and performance expectation. This should be agreed upon before the appraisal period. Clear expectation improve performance. They also reduce confusion. Standardization means using the same evaluation method for similar jobs. This ensures consistency across employees. It also protects organizational legally. Documentation is important. Managers need proper training to conduct an evaluation. Training helps improve accuracy and fairness. It also reduces bias. Continuous training is recommended. Employees need regular feedback on performance. Communication should happen throughout the year. This reduces surprise rate during appraisal. It also improves performance. Formal performance review should be conducted regularly. Employees should know their result. This helps them improve and grow. It also ensures transparency. Employees should have the right to appeal appraisal result. Organization must provide a fair process. This increases trust in the system. It also ensures fairness. Performance appraisal can lead to legal issues if not handled properly. Unfairly evaluation may result in lawsuits. Organization must ensure fairness and documentation. Legal compliance is essential. The appraisal interview is a critical part of the process. It involves discussing performance with employee. The focus should be on improvement, not criticism. Effective communication is key. Interview should be scheduled properly and on time. Delay can increase employee anxiety. Managers should be prepared. A comfortable environment is important. The interview will include performance discussion and goal setting. Managers should guide employees on improvement. Support and feedback should be provided. This encourages development. Performance and pay discussion should be separate. Pay discussion can dominate the conversation. This reduces focus on improvement. Separate sessions improve effectiveness. Managers should balance praise and criticism carefully. Feedback should focus on behavior, not personality. Employees should also prepare for the interview. This improves accuracy and engagement. Performance appraisal practice differ across country. Studies show different focus such as promotion, training, and compensation. Understanding this different help in global HR management. Overall, effective appraisal system improve both employee and organizational performance. Thank you for listening. We already finished for the chapter 7. Assalamualaikum.